Okay guys, so I'm just going to video how I turned this into this with French Chic paint. So to start with, use this French Chic Al Fresco, and that is just the white one that I've got, so it's called Dazzle Me. This is the black, I'm sure it's called Jet, oh it's called Blackjack. Frenchy sponge. For mine I needed some masking tape. You won't if you're not making it different colours. So you can see from the light there, I've just got a wee touch up to do here. In the black. Apart from that, it turned out absolutely amazing. So everything on this table is everything you need. So you need these for after you wash down with the concentrated sugar soap. So basically you take a small bit of this and put it in some water. Use your sponge, and that's the first part. So I'm going to show you what I did first. Obviously my piece of furniture has been painted, so you can see there's scratches, chips. I'm sure there was some paint drips before on some of it, but that'll all come off with the sanding. So I've now taken this door off its hinges and I've taken the handle off here. So as you can see, this used to be dark mahogany under there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash the whole thing down using the sugar scrub sponge. And I am just going to wash it all down, giving it a good soak. So your water can get really, really dirty because it's all the years of grime and dirt. So I've just sugar scrubbed all of this all the way down. Now what I'm going to do now is take one of these and I'm just going to dry it off. Now I've done that, I'm going to take my sander and I'm going to buff away, sand away, just to make it more smooth. Now I will obviously have chips in this one, and you can sand as much as you want, right back to the bare. I'm not, because it's white and it's going to be black. And once you've done that, again, once you've sanded it all, you want to take any residue off. So I just take another cloth and give it a wee wipe down. Now, this is the most important of the furniture, is the prep work. So you want to make sure that you do it properly. You want to make sure you scrub it with the sugar soap and then sand it down as much as you can so you get a smooth finish. Now obviously with bits of furniture, you'll have chips over the years and things like that. That just adds to its character, so I wouldn't necessarily be worried about that. I have chips on my cabinets as well. Again, it just adds to the character of the furniture, so I'm not too fussed. So that's the prep part of your furniture. Obviously I've done the door as well. And then it's time to paint, and that's the fun part. So you choose your colour. Like I said, I've got black and white on mine, and that's our next step we're going to do.